So CMA part 1, right? August 2nd, 2007, right? So participant JB, Jasbir, Gurmeet, Raj, and Tui. Yeah, right? And so what we need to do first of CMA means comparative market analysis. So what do we need to do is, so first we go on internet, and then we print the no www.
No.
Just do
No
M.
triple W's
Yeah,
anymore.
no. MLS link.
Oh, yeah.
M for mother, L for love,
Mhm.
S for Sam, right? MLS link.
Link.
Again link, LINK,
You got a
right?
spare pen?
Dot
Mhm.
ML, again mother love, exchange, X like ex-wife, right?
Yeah.
XCHANGE dot com. There's no E. There's no E.
In the end?
No, in the beginning. So there's no E in exchange. So
Oh,
MLS link.
there's X, yeah, okay. Because X is there.
Yeah, MLS link,
Yeah.
right? Exchange.com.
Okay,
So once you go there, right? So then you go into it. It'll ask you your ID.
Mhm.
Last year ID.
Mhm.
Okay. And then you put there your ID. Right? It's gonna ask you like this. Okay. So what are you gonna do here now? So basically,
.com, right?
so then you ask, put your ID,
Oh, yeah.
user ID. User ID, for example, I have F. F is the first word you use, right? And then the last 4 digits of your last name. For example,
Okay.
my last name is Pandari, so BHAN, right? Sidhu, SIDH, right? And then the first 2 digits of your first name. So my first name is Jagmohan, so I put JA.
JA.
So BHANJA, Banja, Sidhu. So then you put GU, right? Sidhu, right? And so just be Sandhu, right? So basically you are.
So that's good. They're
Same
going to
there,
tell
right?
you, right? They're
Yeah.
going to tell you what
Yeah.
your user ID is going to
No,
be.
user ID, I'm telling you. Only thing, password you have to make it, right? That time once you go for a class. So once you get a license, right? So then your office send the board forms to your board, and then
Sorry guys, sorry
yeah.
for bothering you.
Hmm?
JB, we need your signature for the check.
Oh sure, no problem.
Give me 4
You have a pen.
Fairly.
So basically what do we do now? So you put your user ID and the password, right? And password, so you're gonna get only once you once you um, once you go to class, right? And when you go for class, once you get a license, that the board form which you give us, right, and that we fax to the board if you're a Fraser Valley board member, if it's a Vancouver board, so still we send them, right, and then you call them and you book a class, and then they give you the ID. So then you can get in.
You know the address, how to book the class?
Yes, so the phone number is 930
Mm-hmm.
7600. This is for the Fraser Valley board.
Okay.
For the Vancouver board is different number. Okay. 930.
So how, I mean, how you know you got to go to Fraser Valley board or Vancouver board? They are two different?
Two different board. Those who live in Vancouver or Burnaby,
Mm-hmm.
so we make them Vancouver board member.
Oh, I see, yeah.
Those who live in Surrey, Delta, Abbotsford, this side area, right?
They
You
are
can be
Fraser
Fraser Valley. You can be a Fraser Valley board member living in Vancouver too,
if you want it.
right? If you want it, right? So they work differently.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Okay. And so Fraser Valley board does not charge for a listing when you list a property. Vancouver board does charge a fee when you list for a property,
Property. Oh.
right? Fraser Valley board charge $100, $107 or $106 for one side. and $212 for the both sides when you sell a home, right? MLS fee, but they charge once the property is sold,
So
right? And usually Vancouver board they charge $212 on one end. It's almost the double the fee.
only to the seller.
No, realtors pay. Realtors pay.
Oh, I really pays, yeah.
You understand, right? So from your commission,
So it doesn't matter you sell or not. When you list it, you have to pay right away. In the
not with the Fraser Valley board,
no, in the
but the
Vancouver.
Vancouver board you pay for listing, not for the until sell. Only then you pay.
Oh, I see. So it's, I mean, if you suppose if you list in the Vancouver and you didn't sell the home,
But you still pay the I think
So you pay the
$25
money,
whatever the
it's
fees.
not-
You still pay.
you're not refundable.
No, no,
You paid the asset gone.
gone.
You
But
sold it
Fraser
on.
Valley board you list 50 listing. There's no cost.
No cost.
Listing there's no cost. Cost
Until-
comes when you sell it.
Sell it. That should
Right?
be. Should be.
Okay.
That makes sense.
And the Vancouver board, if you're a Vancouver board member, so you pay your board fee directly to them, right? Which is good. But Fraser Valley board fee, so they take from the company and we have to collect from you guys.
That's okay.
But if you don't pay, so then we have to pay from our pocket. Can you say right?
One question: as being a member of Fraser Valley, if I got
You can
a list-
access any.
and if I got a listing in Vancouver,
You can access any
and
board.
so they will collect the money, whichever their ML exchange, whatever,
Yes, yes.
plus the Fraser Valley
No, no. Only one.
one.
One board. For example, I sold a property in Vancouver, right?
Mm-hmm.
Property is in Vancouver, so
Yeah.
it goes under Vancouver board, right?
Which is 1200.
So basically, still we have to pay
But
200.
okay, if you are Fraser Valley Registered Board member, but you list a property in Vancouver, so you have to pay that fee.
No, we don't pay for listing, but we pay for selling stuff.
Tell them. But
Same.
it goes
Same.
to Vancouver.
Yes.
So how much you pay? Same as Fraser Valley? How much they
No,
collect?
same $200 if the
For
property is
Vancouver.
in Vancouver,
Oh, I see. Yeah.
right?
The Fraser Valley
Depending
has
on
less-
which place, right?
Yeah.
Right? But doesn't make once you are a realtor, once you make money, you pay money, doesn't make a difference.
That's true. Yeah.
Yeah, only time problems comes when if you're not
When
making
you're not
money,
making money, when you're not doing anything. Correct.
right? So then you go to McDonald's or Burger King, right? Otherwise you go to fine dining restaurant, right? Ultimately the end result is the same.
Or you go just for
You
199
survive, you
burger,
cover one time lunch
drive
or
through.
breakfast or something, right? End result is the same, right? So this is the part one of CMA. This is part one of a CMA. All of your questions.
Oh, this burger and everything, right?
Yeah, this part we did, right?
No ID and password.
Yeah, right. And